Right, good afternoon folks. You find me here at Sainsbury's. The orange, what can we call this one? The orange, it's kind of like a straight flat roof. So this one could be the orange, look at there it is there. The orange flatness of consumerism. Right. It's quite arty actually, isn't it? The way that it's kind of curved. Like a big wing. That was only 50p. Excellent value. Quite small. But we'll have two of them, thank you. Alright folks, well that's the shopping done from the, I'm going to call that the orange wing of consumerism, because it looks like a wing. The orange futuristic wing of consumerism. Red Leicester cheese for grating on top of our pasta. Turn off tomatoes. 2 red peppers. Some fresh pinoni. You've never had this pasta before. Or have we? I think. Oh no, I had it last weekend. Very nice. Pinoni, love it. A garlic baguette. There we go. And you know what? You know what's happened, folks? I've stolen a clove of garlic. Oh, that was in my cardigan pocket and I forgot to pay for it. Oh no. So, Dundee Dude, he works in Sainsbury's. Dundee Dude, don't tell them. But look, I've stolen. Oh, well, no, it's only 35p, wasn't it? I'm sure they'll not. But, oh, what? Right, anyway, there we go. That's my shopping. And I'm going to go home and make a nice red pepper sauce. Oh, who's this clown coming next to me here? Right, here we go. Right, folks, here we are. Having a little explore of this piece of land. It's for sale. 60 acres for sale right here. Just beside Sainsbury's. Now, Tom Johnson. Oh, cricket. Who was Tom Johnson? Now, I remember I've looked him up before, and I thought he was some sort of politician that helped Dundee in some way, but we shall find out. Anyway, just kind of following this little sort of track path thing that goes down here. So we just follow. Now, last time I went down here, I saw a herd of deer. So let's see if there's any sort of wildlife down in here. Found a stone circle, look, very modern. This stone circle is probably from the year 1994 by the look of it here. See the textured concrete and the iron stuck inside of this. This is a very modern stone circle that I reckon was probably worshipped around in that sort of year, and they obviously were worshipping the way it's facing to the sun there. As the sun goes down, this is where the blocks sort of face towards. So a fantastic modern stone circle that I found here, folks. Brilliant. Well folks, I don't think I can really actually go any further across that way, because those are as bulrushes. That means it's sort of like marshland and boggy parts, so I better be careful wandering around here. I'm not going to go down there. I'm just going to follow the path along here and see where it takes me. It's just an industrial wasteland. This has often been used as landfill, and the trees in nature have obviously just taken a hold here. It's all very, look, here's more. Sort of like there's another boulder here. Look, another big boulder, and sort of just this sort of stuff, you know, this is the sort of stuff we're dealing with here. Right, yep, more boulders there, look, more of them. They're just everywhere, man, really. They're all over the place. Loads come up here. There we go. So this 60 acres is for sale. No doubt somebody will buy it and just put lots of flats on it, I'd imagine. That's what they normally do in it, with these sort of places. Right, now instead of a stone circle, folks, we've got a stone line. I've never seen this kind of thing before. Look, it's a stone line pointing towards the sun. Right, so unfortunately no wildlife there, no deers or anything like that, so I'll just go home now and cook some tea. Quite hungry. Look at this, folks, look at that. Doesn't that just look awesome? Fantastic. I haven't got the peppers in there yet. The peppers I'll have to go in. I've got this go with it. Yes, looks great. Right folks, here we go. Now this jug, this mixing thing we have, it never gets used for anything else but the red pepper sauce. So it's infused, the sides, the bottom, everything's infused with the red pepper sauce. It's just red peppers, chilies, some olive oil, garlic, tomatoes, tomato puree, black pepper, and a pinch of thyme goes into this fantastic sauce that I learnt about from the Australian Women's Weekly or something it was called. Hang on, let me just find out what it was actually. Crikey, there's my peppers going mad. Yeah, so it was in this book here, the Australian Women's Weekly Pasta Cookbook. And there's a few other sauces in here, but this one in particular, for some reason, just stuck out. And it's a recipe that I know off by heart now. Here it is. Yeah, there's pasta with red pepper and chili sauce. There we go. Wonderful. So yes, it is awesome, I must say. So that's what theirs looks like. There it is. And mine will be looking like that very soon indeed. So as I was saying, yeah, the side gets this gets used for nothing else but this sauce. And I'm sure if we did put something else inside it, yeah. So we phone. Hang on. Oh, it's the phone, folks. Right, I better answer that, I suppose. Ooh. Yeah, right. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah. So if we used it for say like a cream or sauce, or I don't know, anything else, a sweet or something, it would just, I think it would just taste of red peppers. But there it is. That's the sauce I use, folks. I'm looking forward to having this. We always use dry pasta, but this I like this style of pasta, this new fresh stuff. So I'm going to try that. It only takes 7 minutes to cook. There we go. Right, here we go. It's the all-important taste now. This should taste wonderful. Right, so here we go. It's normally Rosie that tastes it, but today it's me. Here we go. Oh my Lord. That is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, yeah. Oh, and here comes the chili kick. Douche, ah, douche, ah, douche, ah, douche, ah, douche, ah.